Today we are going to do a little simple asanas that will help to overcome the shoulder pain and the frozen shoulder kind of lifestyle disorders. Rajyatan will demonstrate for you. We'll start with a little stretching over the shoulder by using your hands. Slowly sit. This is in a cross-leg position. Keep your back straight. Slowly take a hand like this. And slowly stretch this hand. Just pull it towards your body. A little more. You can feel a nice stretch over this area. Get a nice stretch. This stretch will improve the circulation towards this region. Opposite. Always make sure that your elbow is straight and pulling it towards the other shoulder. One thing always keep in your mind that you are getting a nice stretch of this entire area, even towards the back also. Straight. And try to do it 1 to 2 minutes. Bring your right hand up, behind the head. Just bend it like this. And take your other hand, hold it here, and slowly pull it. Now you will get a nice stretch over here, and you will get a compression over the wrist. The hand position is like this from the back side. Try to pull it as much as you can. Opposite. The other hand. This hand back. Focus only on the stretch over this portion. Try to pull this hand as much as you can. Good, yeah. Put your palms on your thighs. Then squeeze your shoulders up. Squeeze it towards your ear. Release. Suddenly release. Squeeze it up. Suddenly release. Squeeze it up. Release. Squeeze it up. Release. Squeeze it up. Release. Try to continue it for 15 times. Try to squeeze it maximum and try to touch the shoulders on your ear. That's all. Good. Yeah. And lay down on the abdomen then. Bring your feet apart, hands apart first. Relax for a while. Make sure that your body is completely relaxed on the floor. Slowly bend your right elbow. Take your left leg here, backward. Slowly try to twist your upper body this way. Your back hand should be straight as it was in the relaxation position. Try to twist more so you will get a nice stretch on the left hand and the left shoulder area completely. You can feel a nice stretch over here and the back. Continue this posture as long as you can, at least minimum for a 3 minutes, and opposite. Straighten that hand in your left. Good. Now you can see that the stretch over here, and this portion also gets stretched very well. The stretching will always improve the circulation, and it will help to reduce the strain over this area. Straight and down. Bring your hands again apart, 90 degrees away from the body. This time try to bring your feet together. Make it maximum together. Your heels, calf, thighs should be each other. Touch each other. Head up, chest up, hands up. Put your legs down. Try to bring your hands maximum up, like you are flying. Up, 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 up. You can feel nice stretch over the both shoulders and the upper back, and you'll get a nice stretch over the thoracic, and opposite side direction stretch will happen there. Usually in our sitting position we used to sit like this, so these shoulders will automatically drop down and it will make a unwanted strain on the back. So this stretch will help to cure that image. One more, head up, chest up, hands up. Just watch this. Put your legs down. Try to bring your head maximum up. While you are pushing the hands and head up, you'll get more stretch over here. That's what we need in this posture. Down. And exhale, Niguncha. Sit back. Try to press your buttocks on the heel while you are doing the Niguncha, and try to stretch the hands maximum forward. Actually, you'll get a nice stretch all over your spine. So try to stretch from the lower parts of your back, from your lower back, from the tailbone to the top. By stretching your hands more and more forward, you can do that. Keep stretching always. Good, good. This is a very comfortable position to relax. So you can consciously more stretch your hands and shoulders. That is a major benefit of this posture. The Niguncha. At same time you will get a nice stretch over the spine also. So the compression over our lower back, it is also caused because of our new lifestyle, because of we are sitting in the chair for a long. So it will cure that image. Slowly come to Gaja. Then take this hand to the other side. Drop your left shoulder down. Very good. This hand should be on 90 degree. From here, your entire body weight should be on the left shoulder here. So it will squeeze that area and it will stretch your entire upper back region. Even you will get a nice stretch over your cervical region. You can keep your eyes closed and stay here for 3 to 5 minutes. While you are staying long here, this portion will get a good relaxation. A relaxation that can regenerate that area. Slowly come to opposite. Now you can see the stretch that you are going to get here. Relax on the shoulder, leave the whole body weight here, and only you will get that proper stretching and proper pressure on the right shoulder. Always try to keep your eyes closed and try to relax yourself as much as you can. As much you are getting relaxed, that much result you will get on recovering the pain. Get ya? The next posture might not be good for everybody. So if you feel any uncomfort while doing that posture, just avoid it. Otherwise, it's a very good stretch for the cervical region and the shoulder region. It is exactly opposite to our regular standing position. Stretch your hands forward. Keep your hip there itself. Stretch your hands forward, forward, forward. And slowly drop your chin down on the floor. Your hip should be there in the same position. This curve should be there. Drop your chin down and get a nice stretch over here. Your elbow should be straight. Both elbows should be straight. Whenever you get relaxed in this posture, try to press your chest also down on the floor. So you'll get the maximum stretch over here. And it's a reverse stretch too. Very good. Come up. You can stay in this posture as long as you can. Slowly sit back in Nigunsha. Okay. You'll get a nice relaxation on this if you are sitting the Nigunsha. Slowly sit to Vajra and slowly lay down on your back. While you're laying down on your back, if you have something like this is a pad. It is available in the sports stores. You can put it here. The curve should become here. This arch should come like this. Slowly down. See, now you can feel that beautiful arch that you are going to get here. You can relax in this posture for 5 to 10 minutes. So all the upper back will get relaxed and the relaxation will help to recover from the problems over your shoulder and upper back region. Try this at home. If you feel any discomfort for doing some kind of some postures, don't try for that. You can try the other postures. Slowly you'll be able to do all these, and whenever you are easily start to do all this, slowly you can feel the over your shoulder region. Try this. Thank you.